On our Western page, we move down to Niger, okay, where we get into Naira Marley's new song facing a ban from the government. Naira Marley, you know, he was just not long ago sent out of Cameroon by the government, saying that Naira Marley cannot hold any show in Cameroon for now because he has been accused of giving bad conduct to the youth when it comes to cocaine, when it comes to drug, when it comes to marijuana, and all the bad likes of the sex scandals and all the bad attitudes and culture on young people. Just not long ago, 24 hours just after he released a new song of his, it was totally banned from all social media networks. That is, it was done by the Nigerian government, saying that this guy has a lot of bad influence on youth, especially when it comes to the morality of the youth, the cultural aspect, and everything. That was just nothing good about Naira Marley, and so they really cannot understand why so many youths, they like Naira Marley and they want to always use his song for all the promiscuities and all the like. Naira Marley, like we know him, has been one of the most renowned artists, most popular artists now. And you know, from him we got all the Malians, all the Malians down. Malians don't wear belt. All the Malians come forward, the rest fuck off. You know, it came from him. That is his brand. And due to the obscene language from his lyrics, Nigerian government said, no, we cannot allow something like this in our country because our youths are going to go astray. And now, let's talk about the reaction from Naira Marley. He was like, my new song where I released not long ago, 24 hours, government take put them down. Ha! Now, wow, that was the reaction from Naira Marley. I guess he was wondering what was wrong with the song that the government had to put it down just 24 hours after the release of this song. We don't know what is happening. We don't know what we have to do about Naira Marley's songs, but I know he has a lot of fan base, a lot of fans out there, and we see into it that just with time, everything is going to be sorted out. Okay, still in Nigeria, we talk about Tonto Dike as a philanthropist. You know, these women, Tonto Dike has been declared one of the most successful actresses in Nollywood, and she comes up with an iPhone 11 gift to her nanny and says that she deserves it because she has been of great help to her. She has been dutiful, she has been very diligent in her job, and she has helped her a lot, her home, her son, and everything. And so she cannot really explain, and she lacks words to say that thank you very much for everything you have been doing to me and my son. And that is why she came out with a gift to her nanny, iPhone 11. I guess we know how much that costs when it comes to CFA. That is hundreds of thousands and maybe even millions. iPhone 11, for anyone that knows that, that is a very huge gift that so many superstars cannot even purchase it on their own. But Tonto Dike comes out as a philanthropist, as a woman of gold, as a woman of steel, and as an outstanding lady, and offers iPhone 11 to her nanny as a birthday gift and promises her lots more for her to stay focused, for her to do her job with a lot of diligence, and she promises more to come. We say, Mommy, your day don't break. And still in Niger, we talk about Omotola, who celebrates 25 years of being in marriage and celebrates her love life. Omotola, we know this lady. When it comes to beauty, Wufi Triumph, she has the shape, she has the face, she has the charisma, she has everything. She has the vocal, and she's a microphone force and power when it comes to speaking. Her lyrics, her accents, when you watch her videos, you watch her movies, you're going to know that this is a woman of value and of virtue. And she comes out on social media and celebrates 25 years of being in marriage. You know, it's not easy because nowadays, young people now, they know they stay for marriage. Before you know, it is done. 4 years, 2 years, some we have just 2 months, 5 months, and they are done in that marriage. But this lady, as beautiful as she is, as industrious and as an entrepreneur as she is, she comes out on social media to appreciate her husband for always sticking and standing by her, giving her all the support, and says that When I first saw him and he came to my house, my mother was like, Omotola is not the marrying type. And he smiled and said, I'm going to push her to the direction that I want. And today, he has me as one of the best wives. I'm not perfect, but I can say that God has been with us. We say congratulations to you, and we pray for more success, more years in your marriage. Let's move a little into the Western world, where we talk about Keyshia Cole. Keyshia Cole is one of the most beautiful artists we have in the Western. You know, Keyshia Cole has the vocal. Keyshia Cole knows when it comes to showbiz. And just doing, after not long ago, doing so good songs for us, like Sent from Heaven, doing so many songs for us, she comes out on social media and says that she actually is quitting music. Everyone is like Keyshia Cole. What could be happening? Is it that she's going through tough times? Is it that Keyshia Cole has a lot of challenges? Or is it that she wants to actually take this decision because of her family? Keyshia Cole says that, I am doing this because of my family. I want to focus on my children, my husband, and myself. And as you can see, Keyshia Cole is happily married and heavy. And she says that it's been a while. She cannot really remember the last time she spent a lot of time with her family, her husband. She wants to quit music because to her, music is distracting her a lot as a wife and as a mother. We are going to miss you so much, my dear, and we wish you the best in your marital home. We wish you the best when it comes to your pregnancy. We wish you the best with your kids, and we say that go for what you want. Still in the diaspora, we talk about Sean Paul, who releases his 7th album. And the Grammy Award-winning global megastar and philanthropist Sean Paul last Thursday released his 7th studio album. And the title of this album is Life and Living. And arriving on all platforms the next day, the song is produced by Duty Rock Productions and distributed by 1RPM. Sean Paul, like we know him, he has done great songs for us, like songs with Beyonce, a lot of songs with Rihanna, a lot of songs out there, rap songs that we enjoy. And when it comes to the rapping section, leave this guy knows how to grind it, how to mix it, and how to give it to us in a very grand style. We say that congratulations, Sean Paul, and keep going and making strides in the music industry and grabbing all the awards. Let's have a break. We'll be right back to take straight on Star Profile. Be with us.